Once you have an audio file saved to your Google Drive, here's what you do. You go up to Insert, you go to Audio, and then find it in your drive, shared. You could search for it. I'm going to just use this first one right here, which is how to use the Easy Voice Recorder app. I'm going to select it, wait for it to appear. Its default is in the bottom corner here. But what's important though is now, just like a video, because it is an audio, you can have it start playing the minute you click that icon. You could have it automatically start playing, so the minute the person gets to that slide, it'll start. You can hide the icon, which means then that little speaker will not appear. I personally don't do that because I like students to know if there's audio on that slide, so I leave the speaker. You could loop the audio, which will mean it'll just keep replaying over and over until they change slides. The one that I also always leave is stop on slide change, which basically means that, let's say the audio is 16 seconds, but at second 12, I switch slides. We want the audio to stop, not keep playing for 4 seconds when we're not even on the same slide. And then there's several other options, but really this is the basic. And then what would happen is if I put this in presentation mode, okay, this is a previous slide, and now we're on the new slide. Here's how you use the Easy Voice Recorder app. It really, and I had it listed as starting automatically, which is why I did that. And that's how to add audio to Google Slides using an app. Just like with a Giphy, just like with a video, they have to open this in Google Slides or presentation mode for it to work. If you download it as a PowerPoint, the audio won't play.